I tried. There's like a tree there, tinsel here, and then a bigger tree there. So I did try. And I've got a Christmas jumper on. Cause guess what, guys? It's my first ever Christmas video. And yeah, sorry if I sound a little bit croaky and sound like I've still got the cold. Cause I kinda have, but I don't want to admit it to myself. But yeah, today's video, we're gonna get into it. But today's video is a makeup tutorial because as you can see, I am barefaced and it's not a good look. So we're gonna put some makeup on this and it's gonna be Christmas makeup. So I hope you enjoy and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm from the other angle what I was before last time I filmed, and yeah, I've got tinsel on me. But yeah, I'm gonna probably take that off because it's actually itchy. But yeah, tinsel and all that. So we're gonna do a look. And yeah, makeup look. This is how I would do my makeup. My Christmas makeup if I was going out on Christmas. But I do PJ days and I wear my jammies and just relax and just play or look at the things I got for Christmas. So yeah, let's get into the video again. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is concealer, and got this like always, and I've got where is it, I think? No, that's the, this is from Christmas Revolution calendar. This is the thing I got this morning. I got that. So I'm going to use some of that. I think I know how to use it. But don't judge me, because I am not a typical makeup guru. And yeah, I'm not that. So don't judge. But yeah, we're going to do this. So first of all, I'm going to get my beauty blender, what looks a mess. This is a new one I got. It's actually a really good one. I'm going to just do the bits that I normally do. I'm going to put the light on because it's... Yep. There, I'm going to keep on looking to the side. As well. We're not going to put any on my actual lids because they're not doing great at the moment. And yeah, so we're gonna blend that. I don't actually need that one. I'll do them in the new year, guys. I'll do a video on just using Revolution stuff. No, most of the time I just use Revolution stuff, but I've got more stuff now, so I can do it more often. And yeah, so yeah, put that there and move the mirror a bit forward. So the next thing I'm going to do is blusher. And I mean, I'm going to actually use my new blusher, what I've got actually. This is the one I normally use, but I'm going to use one of these ones. I don't know what one. Probably that one, because on Christmas you want to you want to be shimmery and all that, and that's how I think. But you want to just... That is way too much. But oh well. We cover it up with highlight. Like I say, I'm not touching. It's It just yeah, that looks kind of better. Well, we'll put this highlight on, and it's gold, and I like it very much. The look I'm going with is just shimmer, shimmer, and shimmer. I put way too much blusher on. That's like a really bright blusher. The one I normally put on. It's fine if I go face to face, but then if I go to the side, it's like... But oh well. I do not have any face wipes, so we're going to stick with it. We're just going to ignore it. And we're going to go into nose highlight. And I just get this one. And we just go like that. And then just put a little bit on my nose. Why is my... And then we're going to blend it. And yeah, I'm really hoping this is going to go okay. Okay, now we're going to do the eyeshadow. Even though we all can tell this makeup tutorial is not going well. But not everyone's perfect. That's what we would learn on this channel. Robin or anyone is not perfect. Especially if I cannot open this. And there's no ticker as well, so why? Well, okay, I'll come back in a minute, guys. Okay, guys. Oh! That was just a typical me. It is open now and there was tape on it. So this is the one I got this morning. So I'm gonna, or yesterday, I'm gonna do a blend first, like a base. But I'm gonna probably do it on here because I can see more. Okay, we're just gonna use that colour there. I'm gonna put some on. And then do a base. Yeah, this, I'm gonna get the brush I normally use for my base. If I can get it out. Okay, so we're gonna use this brush instead. So that's one eye. And then I'm hoping that I will get better at this as I go. I do think I've got better at blending my eyeshadow and mixing with the colours. So hopefully I have. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go, because we're gonna go with a red lip, because that's the typical makeup tutorial, we're gonna put the red lip on first, and then we're gonna do the look. Because I don't know what look I'm actually gonna go for, so we'll find out. I need to open it. By the way, this is Ted Baker. Okay guys, so that's a lip. Comment, comment down below if you think I suit it. Probably don't, but yeah, we will find out. And yeah, that is that. And now we're gonna do the blending and the making of the makeup. So I'm gonna just swatching. Yeah, we're gonna go for that one on the lid, like on that bit, and then just blend it with a lighter colour. So yeah, wish me luck. That's actually a really nice colour. Don't know if it goes with red lip, but I'm gonna try. So that's that, and then we're gonna blend. I'm not the best at makeup because I've got bad skin, so it's hard for me. But yeah. But we're gonna try it. Oh, I just broke myself in the eye. Oh. Oh my god. That is one thing you do not do, guys. We're learning on this channel how to not poke yourself in the eye. Okay, back to what we were doing. And that's how you do it, instead of poking yourself in the eye. I find the end look with mascara and that looks so much better. Because right now, it does not look that good. But we're gonna be dealt with it. And yeah. So next, I'm gonna get this new mascara I got a couple, like 2 weeks ago I think it was. I'm gonna use that. So if I don't talk, that is why. I really like my lashes really thick. And yeah. As you can see, I put we just sort it with a blend. I'm gonna put more. On. This could even be a New Year's Eve look if you like that type of look. If I were doing this actual, if you could change the red lipstick and yeah, that's fine. you could change the red lipstick to a brown lipstick. I think that would go better. I don't know where mine is, but I think that will go better. But this is the look that I've made out of that. It's probably not the best, but with a red dress and then or a silver dress. Yeah, silver dress, like a black and silver dress with a red bag. That would look silver gold dress. I meant, guys, that would look so nice. If you want, well, I'm gonna go into the outro and I'll talk all about what I was gonna say. So yeah, let's get into the outro. Okay, guys, did you like it? Did you like it? I hope you liked it. And if you want me to do what I was gonna say, if you want me to do a Christmas outfit video, so like Christmas outfit ideas and stuff, I can do that for you. And then even though I'm not going out on New Year's Eve, do you want me, comment down below if you want me to do a outfit video on what you could wear on Christmas Eve, because you want Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve I meant, guys. So comment down below if you want me to do that video on what to wear for Christmas Day if you go out, and what to wear on New Year's Eve if you're going out drinking and just going out partying. Sorry about my voice, keeps on going and then keeps on like changing the vocals, and I don't know why. It's just irritating me. I just want the call to be over with now, but that's why it's been hard to upload. But I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the makeup look, and I know it's not the best, but to me, I like it. And I've never used that eyeshadow and I quite like it. I'll probably change up the lip, but that's the only thing I'll do. But comment down below if you want any other video ideas. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye!